Hey guys, Nate Joseph and welcome to Code Red Defense. Today we're going to look at how to position your body for self-defense. Now let's say I'm faced with my attacker. The first thing I want to do is I want to have one leg slightly forward, my other one a little bit more back. This is my fighting stance, so whether I'm here, I'm keeping this in terms of my footwork and my base where I can step back, where I can move forward. As well, when I'm faced with my attacker, come over here, Pat. So let's say don't move. What I don't want to do is cross my center line and give him half my back. Right now, if he wanted to go chest to back, he can go easily and get me here. So a simple rule I have is my shoulder will always be past his center line, right here. Okay? Where I'm not here, but at the same time, I'm also not square to him. There's a simple angle where my shoulder's around here. Boom. That means if he decides to throw anything here, my hands are up. If he decides to go with anything on the other side, my hands are up. See, if I'm here and he decides to sucker punch me, there's nothing that I can do. I'm not in a good position. So before we even look at how your hands are going to come up, is how's your body? Because if your body's not placed properly and your hands come up, it's kind of a useless position for you to be here. So your body has to be squared with the person. And then my hands come up where I can move in any angle that I want. If he starts moving around, I'm always here, right? I'm never allowing him at any position to get any angles. Like this angle right here would be dangerous. If he decides to punch me behind the head, I can't even strike him or defend. So anywhere he moves, start moving, I'm always here. So this is the base, guys. This is so important. I'm making it as hard as possible for him to strike me or hit me with anything, because every time he moves, I'm following him and I'm not giving him any angles of attack. And anything he does, he's going to have to be telegraphic to hit me, because all the corners and all the angles are covered. So this is, guys, very important. A lot of people get sucker punched wide, they get sucker punched off the side. A lot of people get hit behind the head because they allow the attacker to come behind. Some people just, will look at the guy here. Boom, if he's here, I'm going to turn right away and I'm going to face him. This is the base of you being ambushed, sucker punched, or hit from behind the head. If this is not proper, even if you bring your hands up, you're not maximizing your defense, your angles, and your strikes to go preemptive. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go check out our website, codereddefense.com. Stay safe and stand strong.